Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EXTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, each one represents 30 minutes. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Interesting price movement today, a nice bounce, and that's what I want to mainly focus on. Now, I get it, the price did pull back from its highs, but still, when you stop and think about that, at one point, the chart was, or I should say, the price was down around this area of the chart, and now it still managed to close up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, the price still did have an overall nice bounce, but that does, justify the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $6.60 mark. Why is $6.60 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has true strength, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly, I agree. So with that in mind, think about 660. Any sort of breaks below there or worse yet, the price separates to the downside. What would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying the progress point, if you will, as 660. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact that the party finally stopped on the bounce right up there around 725. So 725, public enemy number one going forward. All in all, we'll see what happens with it going forward. But you got to give credit where credit's due. The price did make a nice bounce today. So let's see if they can build upon it or if this was just a dead cat bounce. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.